If you're watching this, welcome. You've just clicked on the first episode of the Not Your Regular Mahila Diaries, where the chaos is real, the chai is warm, and the girl who's usually behind the camera is finally in front of it. Hi, my name is Gauri. Yes, that Mahila, and no, not regular. People in my life have told me this enough number of times for it to become a whole brand. Welcome to the first episode, The Rebuild Era. Not a comeback, not a glow up, just me choosing to sit in front of the camera like a normal person and speak. I didn't randomly wake up today thinking I will become an influencer. Please, my delusions are completely different. But yeah, I started creating content because people in real life, like let's say friends, colleagues, or even like strangers would tell me, you're inspiring, you speak so confidently, you should be talking to the camera, why are you not an anchor? And I'm like, me? The same person who gets stressed when the Swiggy guy calls and starts speaking in Malayalam? Okay, sure. But it kind of made me feel super curious. If that version of me that people really liked offline would actually translate online. And also, come on, who doesn't want to be known for just being themselves? Imagine being famous just for existing. That would be stunning. And then I disappeared for 2 years. Here's a short, non-dramatic version of what actually happened. People on the internet took a few pictures from my actual Instagram and started creating fake NSFW accounts. Accounts which also use pictures of my family, accounts which wrote horrible captions with the pictures of me, and it was disgusting, it was creepy, and honestly it kind of like fucked up with my head. It messed with me very bad. I won't get into much details because this is not trauma dumping diaries part 1 or something, but it was bad enough that I lost all my confidence. I literally completely shut down and I quietly stepped away from the internet. It took me long enough to feel safe again, to feel confident again. Here I am now. And I think that's what actually matters. Also, life was really lifing. Living in Bangalore is basically like living off a subscription service and you need a salary to breathe. And I was actually working non-stop in video production. Lighting, camera, audio, shooting podcasts, editing videos, you name it, and I have done it. I was that girl in a very male-dominated space. And I was actually thriving in it. But it drained every ounce of energy and time that I had. So yeah, between online nonsense and offline exhaustion, my content took a backseat. So, why am I back now? Because I feel like me again. That version of me that people were really, really inspired of. That version of me that was confident and not scared. So yeah, this is my rebuild era. Not your Pinterest aesthetic girly types, not dramatic or something, but just me slowly piecing my life back together and sharing that journey along with you. If you're new here, here's a quick starter pack on why I am not your regular Mahila. 1, I really, really love riding bikes. I own a Royal Enfield. I have 17 tattoos because I have a very high pain tolerance. I grew up as a tomboy, but now I'm in my soft girl era and I sometimes occasionally relapse into fighter mode. I really, really love cooking, but only when my heart demands it, not my stomach. I love art, travel, and everything in between. I really love chaos. And I love silence depending on my mood. And I can reorganize my entire wardrobe and forget to fold the last 3 clothes. Not your regular Mahila. There's Luri, my son, my flatmate, the one who runs his household, the dictator. And yeah, I'm married. I know, shocker. 95% of this relationship has been long distance, more like character development. But okay, whatever. But now we live together and we adopted Luri. So life feels fuller, chaotic, but a lot more fuller. What I want you to feel on this channel is inspired, entertained, comfortable, safe. I want you to feel like you're on a FaceTime with your bestie who is a little too honest, a little bit sarcastic, and does things that women are not supposed to do, like riding bikes and working in male dominated fields and rebuilding her life on her own terms. So, yeah, there is no niche here because I am the niche. One week you'll get a DIY video, next week you will get a rant, and then you will get a soft girl vlog, and then you'll be my cat, and then you'll be me healing. And some weeks it's gonna be pure chaos. I refuse to box myself in because I have lived in enough number of boxes. I am not your regular Mahila, it's just me. And if that's someone you wanna hang out with every Friday, you know what to do. And if not, it's fine. I'll still be here talking to my camera and to my cat. See you next time. Bye.